What's good, everyone? This your boy P.MARSHIN back at it again, and today we are doing another customization to this Air Force Ones, and I will have my signature character Guru on here. Pretty much, I did like a little miniature small painting on the back of my phone case of my character Guru, and I did like a family gathering. Basically, I did multiple faces and colors and shades and stuff like that. Kind of gave him like a little family feeling a little bit, and it actually came out pretty cool in my phone case. I'm going to have a link somewhere in this video, so you go ahead and click that and watch that video. But basically, that was the inspiration, that was the idea, and I got it from. And pretty much, yeah, so I ran with that. I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and put on some Air Forces and see how they look. So this is what we're gonna be doing today, and let's get it. But before we get started, I would really appreciate you guys go ahead and hit that bell, the notification button, and also please share my video and give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down, whatever you're feeling. Just let me know how you feel in the video. Just drop a comment below. All right, let's get it.
6 top, make a big Glock. We got big shots, we do weak shots. I do headshots, they do red dots. Bitch, I'm red hot, make your bed rock. 6 top, make a big Glock. We got big shots, we do weak shots. I do headshots.
It literally takes 1 second. Hit that bell notification and the subscribe button right now.
pra cima, joga a bunda 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 pra cima.
I'd like to take this moment to say thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate if you hit that bell button and to subscribe. Also, share my video. Give me a comment. Let me know what you think about the video also. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Tell me how you feel about it. Once again, like I said. And also, if you'd like to support me and watch me continue more art and support me through my Patreon, the link will be down below. You could be a Patreon, little as $5 a month. And that way it will get you exclusive behind the scene videos of me and how I do this. And also you'll get discounts on the following merch. Till next time.
Six top, make a big Glock. We got big shots.